Do you want to know how to make these awesome tropical rum drinks? Well, stick around because that's what we're doing on this episode of Forking Around. What's up, thirsty people? Thanks for finding my channel, Forking Around. My name is Sean, and I'm the host of the channel, and today we're making 3 different awesome tropical rum drinks. We're using rum today because the weather out there is heating up, and we're ready for some awesome summer tropical drinks. Rum is the perfect liquor for tropical drinks because it goes great with all the tropical juices. Our first awesome tropical rum drink is called a Sunburst. Alright, let's go over the ingredients. You're going to need some grapefruit juice, some pineapple juice, some coconut rum, juice of about 1/4 of a lemon, and a lemon wheel for a garnish. So the Sunburst calls for 2 parts grapefruit juice, 1 part pineapple juice, and 1 part coconut rum. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your lemon and you're going to juice it into the glass. And when we're talking about parts, I'm going to cut this glass into fourths, okay? Each fourth is 1 part. So we're going to need 1/4 part coconut rum, 1 part pineapple juice, and 2 parts grapefruit juice. We're going to give this a good stir. Garnish with a lemon wheel. Let's give it a try. Damn, that's refreshing. Alright, our next drink is called the Caribbean Cranberry Twist. This recipe calls for 1 part orange juice, 1 part cranberry, 1 part coconut rum, and a splash of triple sec. First in goes the coconut rum. It's going to be 1 part, about 1/3 of the glass, 1 part OJ, and 1 part cranberry juice. Give it a good stir. Garnish with an orange wheel. Let's give it a try. Oh man, that's great. With those tropical juices in there and the coconut rum, it's fabulous. Alright, before we get to our last cocktail recipe, here's the question of the day for you. Where is the coolest place you've ever had a tropical drink, and who are you going to share this video with? Tag them in the comments below and let me know. Alright, so our last drink is called the West Coast Sunset. This one has become one of my most favorite summer drinks. It has such the right balance between white rum and spiced rum, and it really has really good character. Alright, let's go over what you're going to need. You're going to need some orange juice, some pineapple juice, some spiced rum, some white rum, and a shaker full of ice. This recipe calls for 1 part of each of the ingredients, so it's very simple to make. Okay, first thing going in is our rum. 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is pineapple juice. And last is orange juice. Once you have your lid good and tight, give it a good shake. Strain into a rocks glass full of ice. Add a splash of Grenadine. Top with a couple cherries. There's the West Coast Sunset. Let's give it a try. It's so good when it hits your lips. Alright everyone, so there you have it. 3 awesome tropical rum drinks. Super easy, super quick. Let me know which ones you try out in the comments because I'm drinking all 3 of these. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please tune in often because we're going to be making drinks like this all summer long. Thanks everyone.